Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Opencart website. So this process is quite easy and simple. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is open your browser, and in the search bar type Opencart. Then click on the first website that pops up. Now once you're in the website, we need to log in. If you don't have an account, what you need to do is sign up. I already have an account, so what I'll do is simply click on login. Now I'll enter my email and password. Once you're logged in, what you need to do is scroll down a little bit, and in the account section, here you can see account details. So let's click on that. It'll direct you to this page. Now as you can see, here you can edit your Opencart account. So here you go guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.